want to see a play.
What time does the play begin?
It starts at 8, is that okay?
I'd love to go, I'll see you then.
I heard it got some good reviews.
Where's it playing? What's the show?
It's called One Single Life to Lose.
Think about it, I don't know.
Everything will be alright when you and I go out tonight. When Thomas Sobin gives his talk,
The famous chef, that's not for me.
the doors open at 9 o'clock.
There's a movie we could see.
At Smith and 2nd Avenue.
That's my favorite neighborhood.
I can't wait to be with you.
I can't wait to have some food.
Everything will be alright when you and I go out tonight. We're going to have a good time.
Don't keep me up past my bedtime.
We'll make a date.
Tonight's the night.
It starts at 8. The price is right. I'm a fan of rock and roll.
Classical is more my style.
I like blues and I like soul.
Bach and Mozart make me smile.
Around the corner and down the street,
That's the entrance to the park.
there's a place where we could meet.
I wouldn't go there after dark.
Why not? Everything will be alright when you and I go out tonight. Everything will be alright when you and I go out tonight.